Hi, it's me, Miyazura. Today I'm going to draw Calyx from Niji En. Sorry if I sound a little bit awkward. My English is not very good, and this is my first long video on YouTube. So let's have fun and learn together. Here I will speed up the sketch process because I want to focus more on the coloring process. Maybe next time I can show you how I do sketch and line art. The acrylic marker I'm using here is kinda cheap, and it works quite well. I used to think that I need expensive equipment to make good art. But if you know enough drawing techniques, you can make a great piece with whatever tool you use. You can swatch your acrylic marker beforehand to get the best color for your drawing. It's quite simple how I color here. Let's use the lemons as an example. I use orange as the shadow, and I use yellow for the main color. I leave some parts white to be the highlight, or you can just use white marker or pen. So yeah, you just need to focus on these three steps: shadow, main color, and highlight. I need to move fast for blending because it dries kinda fast. It leaves some kind of residue too when you color too much. Other than that, I quite enjoy using this acrylic marker. By the way, after recording all of this, I just realized I sound so stiff. Yes, I use a script for this voiceover because I can't put the words together in English without writing it first. I'm sorry for some grammar mistakes too. Now I'm going to color the skin as an example. I color the shadow at the edge of the face, upper neck under the chin, around the nose and the lips. Then I use the main color for the rest of it. Last, I put a small highlight at the nose. Anyone here know Niji En? Actually, I'm a big fan of their music. I listen to most of their original songs and covers. All of the libraries there have amazing vocals. Please go check them out. Some of my favorite that I really recommend you to listen are Oh yeah, I'm planning to open my own art shop soon. I will sell various kinds of handmade trinkets from air-dry clay, like charms, pins, hair clips, etc. So, for my next video, I will show you how I make charms from air-dry clay. If you are interested in that, you can subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram at Miyazura10 for more updates. Do you have a lot of art supplies piling up? And every time you see a stationery shop, there is always something you want to buy. That's one of the bad habits I want to work on. For now, the art mediums that I use the most are my iPad, gouache paint from Himimiya, acrylic paint from Maries, and air-dry clay. Yup, I like to switch my art mediums around. I enjoy traditional and digital art in their own way, so don't get surprised for my various contents later. Oh yeah, let's talk about color theories a bit. Can I even call this color theory? Actually, I don't really learn much about it. I just pick colors that look good in my eyes. Like, look at my first attempt at this drawing. The color combination is kinda bad compared to what I'm showing you now. In my first attempt, the yellow and green ratio is kinda balanced, followed by blue and other colors. Then, I don't know why I thought adding red will make the drawing look better and pop out more. The red ruined my drawing. So yeah, in this video, I use yellow as the primary color, followed by green and blue to make it look more refreshing. Because in my eyes, Calyx is a lemonade boy, so refreshing and bubbly. So yeah, something for you to take note of is that you need to know what is the mood of your drawing to get the best colors for it. Mungkin kadang-kadang aku juga bakal bikin video pakai voiceover bahasa Indonesia untuk mempermudah kalian memahami kontenku. Kalian juga nggak perlu khawatir karena aku akan selalu taruh subtitle bahasa Indonesia dan Inggris di setiap videoku. Okay, now that we are done with the coloring, let's do the line art using a drawing pen. I use size 0.05 for the details of the face, and I use size 0.3 for the rest of the drawing. For me, the size of the drawing pen is important when you want to draw small details. If you struggle making a neat line art, I think it's just a matter of practice. I used to make shaky lines too, but I learned that I need to be patient and not rush anything. I'm having trouble with how inconsistent my art style too. As a child, I used to draw in cartoonish style. Then I stopped drawing in high school to focus more on my studies until around 2023, the year I got my iPad. Then I start to build my confidence again with art. It took me a long time to finally get here and be comfortable enough to post my art on social media. Now I'm leaning more on realistic styles. I want to learn more about hatching too, because it gives more texture to my drawing. So yeah, it's never too late to start learning what you like. By the way, did you notice something about the loading screen? Yeah, it's a pile of hamsters that looks like an Oreo. I made this small 2D animation with Procreate, and I will make a tutorial for it in the future. I think Procreate is a great app for making simple 2D animation. But for something more complex, I like to learn After Effects too. Do you have any other app recommendation for 2D animation? Since I don't have a tripod or a good camera yet, I don't have the best equipment to record my drawing process. I just try to be creative with what I have now. You see this red box on the left? I use this to put my iPad above it, so the iPad can be high enough to record my drawing process. As a small artist, I'm really amazed with you all. We support each other and be super creative. Thank you for all your support for me too. As an appreciation, I want to shout out and showcase your artworks for around 1 or 2 people in the end of my YouTube videos. If you are interested in that, you can chat me on Instagram. And that's how I use acrylic markers. I hope you found this video helpful. Sorry if I yap a lot. I like to jump through many topics because it's fun to listen and learn about different aspects of things. Don't be shy to comment your thoughts about things I talk about here. Thanks for watching and learning with me.